How do you make money online? Now that's the question. How do you use nothing more than a computer to make money online? Now, I'd like to invite you to a free training where I'm going to show you how you can use nothing more than a computer to learn how to make money online. Now, I'm sure you've heard of many ways of making money online. You can sell products on Amazon or Alibaba or eBay. You could become popular on a social media platform. You could sell consulting services to people if you talk to them in person or you talk to them on the phone. But what I'm going to show you in this free training is exactly how you can make money online using nothing more than a computer to make money. Okay? So come here. Actually, let me show you how much money I'm making every single month. So here we are, and you can see here, this is just one of my accounts, and you can see every single day I'm making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars online. Last month, I earned over $339,000. This month, I've earned over $299,000, and if we were to add that up, that would be as much as $10,000 every single day. Now, this is what's called a rack. This is what's called a rack of cash. This is real money, US dollars. This is 10,000 US dollars. And this is the amount of money I make every single day. Now, I actually want to give this away to you. This is my present to you for simply attending the free training where I'm going to show you how you can make massive amounts of money online. I'm giving this money away for free to a select few people, but you need to register for the training. And I will talk to you soon. Now, this training is only going on for a limited time, and there are limited spots available. So you want to sign on as fast as you can. There will be a link to sign up somewhere above or below or to the side of this video. Make sure you sign up. Make sure you attend the webinar, and I will give you more information on not only how you can claim some free money, but how you can create a business that creates passive income for you to pay for your family and your life. We'll see you on the training.